Terra Classic coins already dropping in price. Like I said yesterday, you have to wait. Don't buy Terra Classic. Don't trade Terra Classic for now. The coin, based on technical, the coin is going to go down in the next few days. Okay. Now, that doesn't mean that you should just remove all your money or your investment or your coins, sell all your coins. And instead of maybe selling off your coins, you might decide to stake your coins, because when you stake your coin, definitely you'll be earning more coins. I've actually staked my Terra Classic coin instead of selling. Okay, I stake my Terra Classic coin. Now Luna, I believe that it's just, the truth is right now Luna is just taking its time, okay, to improve, to increase, to pump. Luna is coming up gradually, little by little, and they are trying to just bounce back because they face a lot of things. But for now, I believe that the best thing one can do is to stake their Terra Classic coin, I think, if you ask me. But definitely believe that Luna can rise in future. But that doesn't mean that you should invest a lot of money on it. But staking coin right now should be the best option, because you will be earning more coin. Now imagine that in the beginning of this year, you have been staking your Terra Classic coins in the beginning of the year. Now imagine the number of coins you must have earned. Convert that to money. That is still a lot of money, okay? Yes, if you have a lot of Terra Classic coins, you are staking these coins every month or every 3 months, you will be earning some reward, okay, based on coins. And that is what I've been doing, because I definitely believe in the future of Terra Classic. Although what I invested on Terra Classic is something that cannot shake me, even Terra Classic crash again. But I'm using the system of staking, okay, constant staking of my Terra Classic coin, just to keep on earning something, instead of me having that coin there waiting for the nearest future for the coin to rise. Then I would rather be staking my coins while waiting while the coins are increasing. Then I'll keep on staking. That should be the best thing one can do, not just on Terra Classic but also on other crypto coins. Keep staking as much coin as possible, much coin you can stake that you have, but don't invest and buy more coins, or don't buy coins that you cannot afford to lose. But staking definitely will help you. I've already encouraged a lot of people about staking. Those who really want to leave their coin for some time, it is better you stake this coin. That should be the best option, if you ask me. Let's hope for the best, and I believe that everything will be all right from now to the next year. The world will accept cryptocurrency. Industry, businesses, governments will accept cryptocurrency, because this industry is one of the biggest industries that have changed the global economy, the global market, the global business, and will keep changing the global to improve the global business and turning the world into that one single market that we always dream of. That is crypto industry. Once again, thank you for stopping by.